Hello, I'm Rochelle, and this is Unit 43 at 1751 Lampman Ave in Burlington's beautiful corporate neighborhood. This three-level end-unit townhouse is bright and airy with tall ceilings, large windows, and if you're looking for walkability, this might just be the perfect place to call home. Situated in Burlington's North End, 1751 Lampman is a block away from corporate's centrally located Desjardins Park. With a large playground, splash pad, basketball nets, a mini skate park, and lots of green space to play in, this is a park that caters to a wide range of interests. The shopping district is also a short walk away with grocery markets, restaurants, and a variety of stores. With a creek on the eastern edge that runs through a narrow forested green space, you can enjoy some exploration fun. But if you're really into the outdoors, Lampman is walking distance to Bronte Creek Provincial Park. With lots to do for all ages throughout the year, you'll get to make the most of the outdoors. Heading inside, the spacious eating kitchen has this large balcony off of the sliding doors, allowing for natural light to pour into the home. With the open concept floor plan on the main level, you can enjoy entertaining or keep an eye on your loved ones. And with a full-sized dining room featuring a three-way fireplace, there is room for everyone. Now, a noteworthy upgrade for this particular floor plan are the large bay windows on the main level and upper level of the home. The natural light and bright spaciousness is what attracted the current owners, and it's easy to see why. The row of towns are set back from the road, so you also get this green space out front, which is waiting for your gardening touches. Upstairs, the primary suite offers those large bay window views and allows for the morning sunshine to cascade in. Being as spacious as these bedrooms are, the primary offers room for a home office, reading nook, or however you'd like to utilize the space. With a private three-piece ensuite and large closet, this suite checks all the boxes. Down the hallway, there is a full four-piece bathroom and the bedroom-level laundry. At the end of the hallway is the second bedroom with large north-facing windows perfect for those sunset skies. Heading downstairs, the walkout basement offers room for a third bedroom or den with double French doors, allowing natural light to pour in and access to the partially fenced-in front yard. Thank you for taking a tour of this corporate neighborhood gem with me. If you have any questions at all or would like to book your own showing, be sure to reach out. I'm happy to help. And as always, keep it genuine.